This is a matte black sink drain in a 3.5 inch size, which is the standard size for a kitchen sink. And we picked this one up and we put it into a composite sink. So this is not stainless, it is actually a composite. And I really like this drain. The only thing I will say is that maybe if I could do this over again, because we have a matte black faucet, that's why I selected this color. I maybe would have selected a color that blends in better with this kind of medium gray composite sink. But let's take a look at this drain. So 3.5 inch drain, very simple design, looks great, does what it's supposed to do. This is what's gonna catch the food particles. And of course, if you put this all the way in, you can see that it plugs up the sink, so we can fill the sink up, or we can take it out and just have it in catching food particles if you don't have it all the way down. So there you go. Good value, does what it's supposed to do, looks great. We're really happy with it.